In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your eBay cart like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or just getting started, managing your shopping cart efficiently can really enhance your buying experience and even save you some money along the way. We'll guide you step by step through the process, ensuring you make the most informed purchasing decisions. So, let's dive in. First, let's start by navigating to the eBay app or website. If you're using a mobile device, you'll want to open the eBay app. If you're on a computer, simply head over to ebay.com. Once there, log into your eBay account using your credentials. It's essential to ensure you're logged in, as your cart won't reflect the items you want if you're browsing as a guest. Now that you're logged in, let's find your cart. Locate the cart icon, typically found at the top right corner of your screen. On the website, it's often a small shopping cart symbol, while in the app, it might be labeled slightly differently, but is usually the same recognizable icon. Click or tap this icon, and voila, your shopping cart opens up. This is where you're viewing all those items you've been contemplating over the past few days, weeks, or even months. With your cart open, the next step is to meticulously review each item you've added. Start by checking the quantity of each item. Sometimes it's easy to forget if you accidentally added 2 instead of 1, or perhaps you wanted a different number altogether. Make sure the quantity matches your intention. Then, take a look at the condition of the items. Are they new, used, or refurbished? This information should be clearly listed next to each item description. Always ensure that the condition aligns with what you expect to receive. Don't forget to examine the price and shipping costs for each item. Often, these can vary greatly depending on the seller or location. If you notice any discrepancies or if shipping seems unusually high, it could be worth checking if there is an alternative listing for the same product that offers a better deal. If you find anything that needs adjusting, just click or tap on the Edit option. This will allow you to update quantities, correct any errors, or remove items entirely if you've changed your mind. Additionally, if you're buying multiple items from different sellers, double check the seller information. Different sellers might have different shipping times or policies, and it's crucial to be aware of who you're purchasing from, especially if anything requires communication or return in the future. By following these steps, you ensure that your eBay experience is seamless and satisfactory. Making sure every detail is correct before heading to checkout will save you from potential surprises. Happy shopping, and remember, a well-managed cart is the key to a smooth shopping experience on eBay.